Hi.
Hi. Sorry, I'm late.
Okay, that's good. How are you today?
Good. How are you?
I'm good as well. Hopefully I am. All right, so today we are going to go through some stuff, right?
Yeah.
Are we going to do like SASMO stuff?
SASMO, yeah, 2019.
Okay. Open it. But which one is it? 2019.
Grade 3.
Oh, okay. The one with the grade 3 stuff?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah. That one.
Okay, then if it's so, then let's go. Let's do it. Okay, so here's number 1.
Last 6.
Have you tried this question before? No, yeah.
No.
Okay, so do you want to try it first?
Yeah, I want to try it by myself.
Sure. All right, you get it?
No. Wait.
Okay. Are you sick?
No. Actually, I don't know.
Actually, you don't know. You just kind of sneeze. How is it, Kara?
I'm still editing.
What is it?
I'm still doing it.
Oh, okay. Mm.
I got an answer.
What is it? What did you get?
I don't get, I get none of the above.
Oh, all right, you get none of the above. Okay, so this is how I would do it. So it would look like kind of quicker a bit. So like we have 16, right? Just put like -6 in it. So we have plus. And then 34, we put -4 in it. So we have plus 30. And then 45, we put -15 in it. So we got plus 30. And then 7 is just going to be -7, right? It's just gone. So we have, all we have left is like 50, 10, 30, and 30. So it's just basically 70 plus, yeah, it's 70 plus 50. So it should be 120. There. Should be this. Yeah, for something like this. That's like the thing you would want to do because they give us a clue actually by having like the ones 4 and like this is 4 and 7, 7, 6, and 6 and such.
Oh.
Yeah. Don't do it one by one. You will get, I don't know, you will get confused within your own calculation. So yeah, here's how I would do it. So the answer.
Let me take a picture.
All right. So you got it?
Yes.
Okay, Kaira. Okay, you got it?
Yes.
All right, so let's do the question 2. Let's go to, let's do question 2. All right, study the pattern below. How many black circles are in the circle with the question mark? How many black circles are in the circle with the question? Oh, okay. I got it.
What?
All right, so how many is it? It's like the pattern stuff. So we are going to look for like the number of black circles within this circle. So you just have to find the pattern. Do you see any pattern? Mm. Okay. Have you found it?
Yeah, I got answer,
You don't understand?
but I don't know. I don't know. I think it is 4.
You think it's what? Wait. Oh, okay. My volumes. All right. What is it? 4.
It is 4.
Okay. How did you get it? Hmm.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. So here's how we should actually see the pattern. So there's this guy. It's like black and white right inside.
Yeah.
And then there's this guy with the whole thing is black. And then there's this guy. It's just like white and white. And so if we look at like the next pattern stuff, it's just going to be black and white, black and only white, right? So if we have like black and white, black and only white, here it should be black and white, right? And then right after, we should look at it. Like how many blacks inside? Here's 1, here's 2, here's 3. So the next pattern should be 4, right? Yeah, so your answer is correct. It is D, but then that's how we actually do it.
And wait, wait to and
Okay. Wait a minute. There's like stuff going on around. Okay, so let's do question 3. Kevin.
regular dice has numbers from 1 to 6. Which of the following could not be the sum of the numbers on top of the 3 dice?
Mhm. Should have not done that. Okay, so what is it? There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and such.
22.
22. Why is that?
Because if the 3 dice got all 6, then it's 18. There's no 22.
So how would you do it?
There's 6 times 3. That's, I just do 3 dice got 6.
Okay, so for like if we have like 3 dice that range from 1 through 6, right?
Yeah.
So like the minimum sum we have is going to be 3 because 1, 1, and 1, right?
Yes.
And then the maximum sum would be 6, 6, and 6. So it should be 18.
Yes.
Okay, so 22 is not possible, right? You are correct. Okay, then. So let's do 4. Find the top view of the figure on the right. So how would you see it? If you just rotate it like that way, yeah. There's this circle thingy, this, that.
I would see it as E.
E? How is it E?
Because the circle is on that one, and then there, and then the rectangle on the right is there, then the one on the left.
Okay, but where's this line though?
Mm,
Like there's like no line, right? If we see it on top.
yeah,
Okay, so it should not be C. It should be just, it should not be E. It looks just like E, but without line.
mm,
Right, so we have this, and then we have this, what is it? The thing in the middle, like this kind of stuff. And then we have circle, right?
oh, it's C.
Yeah, okay, C it is, because we are looking at like from above, yeah. So yeah, there we have it. Let's see. Let's do 5. What's this? Mitchell, Jason, Tom, Mark race across the field.
Mark finishes one place ahead of Jason. Michelle finishes one place behind the winner. Who is the winner of the race?
What is option E anyway? Jason and Mark.
Michelle is second place.
Mm-hmm.
So she's second place, Michelle.
So second is who? Mitchell?
Michelle. Yes.
Mitchell's second, and then Mark finishes one place ahead of Jason. Should we say Jason is fourth?
Yeah. And then Mark is third. So it's
So the first one is Tom.
Tom.
Okay, so there's this guy in the first place. Yay.
Okay.
Yay. Okay. Alright, so let's do 6 then.
In a toy store, cars are available in 5 different colors. Blue, white, yellow, black, and red. A car has either 2 or 4 doors. How many different versions of the car are available?
Okay. So how many? Different versions of the car are available, right?
Ten. 10. 10 is 10.
10? Okay. How did you get it?
Because a car can have 2 or 4 doors, so there can be a blue car with 2 doors and then a white car with 3 doors and a car with 4 doors. Yellow with 2, yellow 4, and then black and red.
Okay, so it's just 10, right? Because
Yes.
I have like 2, white will have it. It's like 2 kind of stuff, yellow, black, and red as well. So it's just 5 multiplied by 2. So
Yes.
it's just going to be 10. Yay.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, so find the mirror image of the picture on the right.
A mirror image of. Oh, okay.
What is it? Which one is it?
It is E.
E?
It's not E because there's no below. There's no fire below.
There's no what below?
Not E.
Mm-hmm. Why?
Not,
Oh yeah, because there's like no stuff in here, right?
yeah.
It's missing here, so it's not E.
It's
So
not B.
it's not B.
Yeah, it's not B. Not B.
Why is it not B?
Because the color is white.
The color is white.
The wing.
Okay.
That one. I don't.
So which one is it do you think is correct? Yeah, it is not D because it's white. All right, you are correct. This thing. So it should be somewhat like have a color in it. And then what's the difference between these three though?
It's not B. If I annotate, it's not B.
This thing is white, right?
Yes.
It's not B. It's between A and C.
It's not C because the color.
Because what? The color?
Color blue on the circle is supposed to be on top.
On this thing. So it's just A, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then if you can eliminate it that way, it's good. Okay. So let's do next, number 8.
The 4-digit number 32B9 is divisible by 3. If B is even, find the digit B. Okay.
So how do we find something that is divisible by 3? What's the rule? What is it?
It's 0.
0?
0. Yeah.
0? Okay, so let's just look it up. So it's divisible by 3. Nope, by 3. The sum of all the numbers, I guess, is a multiple of 3.
Oh.
Yeah, 3 plus 2 plus 9 is equals to, plus b is equals to, no, let's just do plus b plus 9 is equals to 3 multiplied by something. It's just some other. So what is 3 plus 2 plus 9?
Four. 4.
4?
Yeah.
Okay, so 3 plus 2 plus 9 is like 14, right?
Yeah.
It's equals to, I don't know what is, so it should be either 15 or 18, right?
Yeah. There's no 1 in the.
Yeah, there's no 1, so we should be 4. Okay. So there we have it. You got it?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so let's do next. There's like actually a lot of stuff like this. Like if something is divisible by 3, 4, 5, or something like that, and I have like the what is it? The thing to do it. Do you want to see it?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, I'm going to share it. First, I have to look for it first. It was 12, 12, I guess. Was it 12, 12? No, it was not 12, 12. It was 11, 12. It should look something like here. I will share it, and you can actually just take a screenshot of it because it will be useful. Here. If a number is divisible by 2, then the last digit is an even number. If the number is divisible by 3, the sum of all digits is divisible by 3. So if a number is divisible by 4, the last 2 digits of the number if divisible by 4.
Oh, I got 4. That's why I thought it's 3. Okay.
So yeah.
Okay.
And then, yeah, and then there's like some stuff is not here, right? Such as 6 or something. There's like no 6 in here. So if we have like 6, we just have to take it like 2 and 3, and then do for like the 2, and then do for 3. Yeah, it's just a combination for them. Okay, so here's like a little information stuff. And then let's just continue. Where was our stuff again? It was this. Here. Nope, not number 8. Balloons. A sheep, cat, a dog.
I need a picture below. Okay. How many balloons are needed to carry the sheep, cat, and dog?
What is this then? Is it dog, cat, dog, and what's this one? Is it sheep? Oh, this is sheep. Okay, so if you cannot really see it clearly, neither do I. So it's just dog.
Can I annotate?
Yeah, sure. Wait. Yeah, you can annotate. So this one is cat plus dog. No, plus sheep. It looks like a sheep.
Yep. It kind of looks like a horse.
Like a what?
Looks like a horse.
Probably it is a horse.
Cat and a sheep. And then there's cat, dog, and sheep. Maybe I can say 2 dogs. Well, I'm gonna count balloons.
Oh, yeah, you can just count the balloons.
One, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is balloon.
Is 10 blue?
3, 4, 5.
Is it 10 or is it 11?
Wait, this one is 10.
Okay.
This is 5.
Is it 10 though?
1. Let me use yellow.
Sure.
1, 2, 3. Wait. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Yeah, it is 11. Okay, so
6.
This one is 5, right? So what do we have here? Let's just use the range.
1 dog equals 6 divided by 2.
Okay, yeah, you can do that. So 1 dog is 3. So that C plus S is 5, right?
3.
Okay, so dog is 3. And then C plus S, we have 5. Cat plus sheep. So if we have cat plus sheep plus dog, what is it equal to?
8.
Exactly, it is 8. Okay, so this one is simple. All right.
Next.
Okay, next, it was like this, number 10.
A group of friends arrived at the small cinema at 9:30. They watch any movie together. What is the earliest time they could finish watching both movies?
What is it? Yeah. Okay, so how do we do number 10?
So they watch 10 o'clock
Yeah.
for Princess.
They watch any movie together. Was the earliest time they could finish watching both movies. The earliest time they finish watching both movies. They arrive at 9:30, right?
Yes.
Okay. So the earliest time they could finish watching both movies. Should be, yeah, they could start at 10. If they start at 10, then they will finish at, what's 115 minutes?
12:55?
12:55? No, 11:55?
Oh yeah, wait.
Right?
Yeah, 11:55.
11:55, and then they could actually start the second movie and 14:10, right?
Yes.
So 14:10 will, no, let's do it this like 10 o'clock, and then it will finish at that time.
14:10. Fifteen 45. 15, but yeah,
Okay. So 14, and what time do they finish?
15:45.
Okay, so it's kind of a long time. So let's just do 10:55 first. What if we do that? If they start watching the Dragon Fighter first, like in this time,
Oh,
I don't know. Let's just try it. Probably.
10:55.
Mm-hmm.
Then
It will end at like
12. 12.
12:40.
Yeah, 12:40.
Okay.
Then they do 13:55.
Yeah, 13:55. I'm not sure if it's possible, but let's just try it. 13:55. We would have 15:40.
15:40. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
5 minutes earlier.
Yeah, it is 5 minutes earlier, but then there's like no answer to it. So what do we do now? Is it none of the above?
Yeah. Okay. Yep.
Yeah, I guess. Well, unless if they want to just do like 9 o'clock, even if they arrive
But
at like
we
9:30.
arrive at 9:30.
Okay. Okay, so it's like it should be 15:40, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's kind of none of the above. All right, so let's just do next. It should be 15:40.
Find the missing shape in the diagram below.
Wait,
Okay.
here. Find the missing shape. Okay, then.
Wait. Mm. So I think this and this make this.
Yep, that make that thing.
And then this and this make this.
Yeah.
So this and this make. So it's a circle. It's not A. Not A. There's a circle inside.
There is a circle inside.
Yeah, I think it's B.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's B as well. Yeah, because okay, so it is B. It looks the most complicated of all. That's what we need. Okay, question 12.
All the figures below are made up of identical squares. The area of the figure with the largest area is 48. What is the perimeter of the figure with the largest perimeter?
Okay, all the figures below are made of identical squares, and their largest area is 48. Largest perimeter. How would we do this?
Is each square 1 cm?
I
Like
don't know. Like,
1 cm here or 2 cm here?
it's
Let's
like 10. This thing is like 10. So what's 10 about? All right, so let's just mark it with like 10 squares, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 10 squares as well.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. This is 8.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4,
9, 11.
11.
Yeah.
So if the if the area is 48, there's like no really any good number to it. Because this thing should be 48, right?
Yes.
If it is 12, then we can look it up, but then there's like not really anything. So yeah, so let's just take it as whatever. Let's just say this thing is 1 for each of them, because it's like identical square, right? We don't really care about anything. So let's just say this is 1. So we have 4, 4, 4, and then 4. Right? Should be 16.
Which one is 16?
This one, the first one.
What?
The first one is 16, right?
1. Is the perimeter?
Yeah, that's the perimeter. 16.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 16, yeah.
Okay, so the first one is somewhat 16. Area of the figure with the largest area is 48. This is so weird.
So the figure 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
It should be 16 as well.
16.
Okay, it's 16. And then the third one?
5, 6, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24.
24. That's a lot. So this.
3. This is 16.
16.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, 16.
Okay, it says the area of the figure with the largest area is 48. So the largest area should be this thing, right? It's 11 and it's 8. This is 10. This is 10. If we have this as the largest area, and then how do we find it though? Like 48 is not divisible by 11. So we don't even know what the sides are, right? Because they just give us like 48. The perimeter of the figure with largest perimeter. I don't know.
Maybe it's none of the above.
None of the above, yeah, I guess it is. I mean, if they give like something else other than 48, for example, like 55 or something, we can actually find it, right? But then this, I don't know, that's not a good number, and nope, let's just not do that.
I'm just gonna answer none of the above since there's no answer. On Saturday, Diana read 102 pages of a book. On Sunday, she read 100 pages of the same book. Every day, she read 2 pages less than the day before. On which day of the week did she read exactly 4 pages of the book? Exactly.
On Saturday, on Sunday. 4 pages of the book. Okay, so it's just basically what is that? Sequence stuff? So do you remember the sequence stuff, Tiki? It's equals to a plus and minus 1 multiplied by b. That thing?
A plus.
Yeah, it's like 4 is equals to 102 because a is 102. And minus 1 multiplied by b. B is the difference. The difference is just negative 2, right?
What is n minus 1?
N is the day. Yeah, n is the day. UN is the number of pages she read that day, that N day. So it's just going to look like negative 98 is equals to negative 2n plus 2, right?
N plus 2.
Negative 100 is equals to negative 2n. That n is equals to 50. Right? Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay, so the n is equals to 50. So she read 4 pages on the 50th day. Now we have to look for the 50th day. Since she started like Saturday, right? So the first day is Saturday. What is the 50th day? So
Sunday.
how do we do it?
What the?
So how many days in a week?
7.
1 week is equals to, there's like 7 days inside a week. And it says 50th day, right? So we just have to divide 50 by 7, which equals to 7, the remainder of 1, right? So that on the 49th day is actually the same as the first day. No, 49th day is the, what's the 7th day? 7th day is Friday, right? 49th day is Friday. And then the 50th day is, no, it's not. 49th day is Saturday as well, because it's just the same as the first day.
Yes.
The 50th day.
Sunday.
Yep. Okay. There we have it.
So it's G. Wait.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Okay, so let's do 14. Okay. So how many two-digit numbers can be divided by both 2 and 3 at the same time? Yeah, sure.
How many two-digit numbers can be divided by both 2 and 3 at the same time? How many two-digit?
Yeah, how many?
What? How many two-digit numbers? Multiple of 2 and 3 and see which one is the same.
Yeah, so 2 and 3 should actually be...
But then we have to do until 99 to be this. Here. Why is it so small?
Why is what so small?
My writing. Oh,
I
it's big. JTR. Okay, let's see.
Wait, what's the third one? Oh. So,
Two.
like, what is this thing? What does this mean? Can be divided by both 2 and 3 at the same time. It means like the LCM of them, right?
LCM. What is LCM again?
Least common multiple.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't know what's this.
Okay, so LCM is basically when will they meet if they are multiplied by something. So for example, this 2 and 3 thing. So 2 is like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12, like this, right? And then we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Let's just say this. We have this thing. So the LCM is like the least common multiple. It says the least, and it says common multiple. So common multiple is just this. This is like the common multiples, right? 6, and then they have 12 together. But then the least common multiple is actually the 6th one. This is the LCM of them. So why do we have to find the LCM? Because if we have 6, is both divided by 2 and 3, right?
Yes.
Okay, which means any multiple of 6 is also divisible by both 2 and 3.
Oh
right?
yeah, if I try 12. Yeah. Oh yeah.
So how do we find it? Like how many two-digit numbers? So we just have to look for like how many multiple of 6 there are two-digit numbers. So the first multiple of 6 is like 6 by 2, right?
Yes.
Go to 12. And then the last multiple of 6 is 6 by... what is 99 divided by 6? It's 16? 96?
99 divided by 6 is... 16.
16, yeah, it is 16. So how many of them? There should be from 2 to 16. So there are like 15 two-digit number, right? Number. Yay. That's our answer then.
16.
Yeah, since the multiple. Yeah, because the multiple starts from 2, right?
Oh. So it's 15. So it's none of the above.
It should be 15. This.
Then there's no. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Then let me take a picture. I need to check.
Okay.
Okay. What happens if I write this?
What is it?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yep, it is all yellow. All right. Okay, so let's do 15 then. Where is your yellow glasses thingy? What is that for?
I don't know. Hurts my eyes.
Reducing the radiation stuff?
Study the picture below. Okay. Okay.
Train, car, ship, car, submarine. How is that a submarine? Like out of nowhere. Which tie is the heaviest?
Okay. One train. Is this another train?
What? Which one?
This one.
There is another train.
So 2 trains equals 3 cars.
So let's just do ratio stuff. T to C is 2 to 3, right?
Oh. 5
And then,
ships equals 4 cars.
Ship to car is actually 5 to 4. And then what else? What is the last one? Train. A train. Train. Train is
and submarine.
4 to 3, right?
Yes.
And then what do we do here? We just have to align them together. So, oh no, I should not have used the submarine as train to, what is submarine? B. Let's just say B. 4 to 3. It's submarine.
Okay.
Okay, so what do we do now? We just have to line them all together. Like, I should probably switch some stuff in it. C, T, B. Okay, I should switch the first one. So C to T is just 3 by 2. I just switch it around. It's like no big deal at all. So here's what we have, right? So this is, we cannot really do anything about it, right? Like right now. Unless, yeah, we cannot really do anything as if like right now. So here's like this thing, this C and T, they have to equal to each other, like the exact equal. So first off, let's just do this one. Let's just do that one. C to T, and then C to T to B. What is the LCM of 2 and 4?
4.
4. Okay. So we have to make T is equals to 4, right? Which means T by T, we have to multiply both of them by 6, by 2, I mean. So we have 6 to 4, and then we have t to b is equals to 4 to 3. So now we can actually compare
the 6.
Because this is just multiplied by 2, this thing, for both of them.
Oh.
So we have c to t to b is equals to 6 to 4 to 3. There, we have this in the first place. Now we have to compare it with the other one, with this, S and C. Since we only have the, the common stuff is the car, right? It's just the C. So we have to make car equals to each other. So what is the LCM of 4 and 6?
12.
12, okay. So if the LCM is 12, so S and C was 5 and 4. So to make C is equals to 12, we have to multiply both of them by 3, right? Yeah. Do you get it? We have to make C is equals to 12. So we have C is equals to 4, then we have to multiply it by 3, which means we have to multiply the S, or like the 5, equals to 3, 2. And then we have here C is equals to 6. So everything has to be multiplied by 2. I will write it down. 12 to 8 to 6. Do you see it now? That thing. Now C is equals to each other. Before, we put 4 is equals to each other, right? And now we put C is equals to each other. Only this time, we can actually compare everything. The S to C to D to B is equal to 15 to 12 to 8 to 6. So, as we can see here, which one is the heaviest? There. Wait. Which one is the heaviest?
Oh, ship.
Ship. So how to read this thing? It's like 6 submarine, B submarine, yeah. So 6 submarine is equal to 15 of the ship. So which means the least number is actually the heaviest.
Oh, so it's submarine.
Yep, it is submarine. So do you see it now? Like how I get everything?
Kind of confusing.
Yeah, so like basically in this part, I multiply that thing by 2 because the LCM is equals to 6. And this, I multiply stuff by 3. By 3, right? And this, I multiply stuff by 2 because the LCM is equals to 12. There. This is like everything.
But I need to take.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Okay. You took it?
Yep.
Okay, then. let's do next. Section B. What? How many rectangles are there in the picture below?
How many rectangles are there in the picture below? Okay.
Yeah, they are getting creative.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wait, why not I counting computer? So there's 1,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we have here.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
17.
Yeah.
Okay, but I guess there's like some trick in it because this triangle thingy and rectangle thingy, there's actually a lot of them. Like here's 1, right? Here's 2,
Wait.
and 4.
Uh,
And then we can actually make another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
oh yeah.
And then we can have another one, the bigger one, like 1. So for this thing alone, there's like 9 in here. Should be 9 as well. And here there's like 1, 2, 3. We have 4, 5, and then 6. That's bad. Okay, so there's like 6. So how many in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 6 plus 6 is
12,
plus 18.
20, wait, 30.
30.
30.
Yeah, okay, so there are like 30 of them.
So there's 30 rectangles.
Mm-hmm. So it's somewhat tricky. Okay. So let's do next, I guess. We still have a lot of time. Not really.
Can I take picture?
Okay. Wait, I will align it first. There.
Okay. Done.
Okay. So let's do next. 17. The operator thing acts on two numbers to give the following outcomes. 24, 44, 57, 104. Okay, this kind of thing again.
I don't understand.
We can actually make anything out of like this thing. How's their pattern? How do we do this? Oh, I guess I got it. Okay, so for this kind of thing, there's like a lot of stuff going on so that we can actually do anything as long as it is viable for all of them. So it's like 2, this thing 4 is equals to 44, right? So what I do is just like 2 multiplied by 2, which equals the first number, 4. And then 4 minus 2 is 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to the last number, right?
Yeah.
And then to be certain, I have to do the exact same stuff. Multiply by 2 is equals to 10. 7 minus 5 is 2. Multiply by 2 is 4.
Oh.
Right? So it's like this thing as well. Multiply by 2, we get 2. And then 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. And this just 14. And then 10 minus 7 is 3. And then multiplied by 2 is 6. So in this case, we could actually do like multiply by 2 first, which equals to 12. And then 12 minus 6 is just 6. Multiply by
12. 1,200.
exactly. There.
12.
It's just some Easter eggs.
1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2.
I need to go toilet.
Okay, sure.
Back.
Okay. You're back. Okay. So okay, so like right now it's like 2:57.
Yeah.
So which time do we end? Is it like 3 or like 3:10? since we start kind of like 10 minutes late. It's like up to you actually. It's actually however you want. Yeah. I'm having my final exam in like 45 minutes anyway, so it's still a lot of time.
You still have to study. You have to prepare. Maybe
Okay.
3.
3?
Yeah.
Okay. So, or just finish this thing. After we finish this, we are done. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Pick your graph number.
It shows the number of muffins. 5 siblings have at first. Okay.
So,
each. Wait, what is that called? Each. That one stands for 6 muffins. Oh. So that means Anastasia has said. Wait. Anastasia has said. Then 6, 12, 18, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. So that is 42.
Okay, so this thing is 42. Okay, you can do it. Nope. I should raise my step. Okay, so then the next one is going to be 48, I guess.
Yeah. 48. And then Dala is 24.
24. This is 24 as well, right?
The amount takes all the muffins and then distribute equally among Anastasia, Braden, Darla, and Eddie. How many more muffins does Eddie have now than before?
Okay, so we just have to find each of them. How many muffins do each of them have, right? So just add them all together.
Clark is the same. Clark is the same, right? Anastasia, Braden.
Yeah, there's no Clark. Okay, Clark is not be given muffin. Sad. Okay, so what's the sum of all of them?
Plus 42 is 48. Wait. 48. 96. 96.
96 for all of them?
Yeah.
Really though? Because this 2 is 48, right?
Yes.
This 2 is 96. And then if we plus this into that, it's like 98, 138. And then we plus 6 in it. So it's just 144.
How's it 138? How's it 138?
It's 96 plus 42.
Oh.
Right? Because it says their mom takes all their muffins away and then distributes equally among Anastasia, Braden, Darla, and Eddie. So basically, mom just take everything from Clark and then don't give it to him. I know, maybe Clark did something bad. Okay, so we have 144 muffins now for all of them, and then we just have to distribute equally among 4 people, right? So it's just 144 divided by 4.
Which is
36.
36.
Okay. So now each of them has 36 muffins. So how many more muffins does Eddie have now than before? So Eddie used to have 24 and now he has 36. So how many more muffins?
Yeah. 12 more muffins. I want to take a picture. I need to remember this. Okay.
Okay, so I guess that's it for today.
Yes.
Okay, you took it?
Yeah.
All right then. So I guess that's it for today. And thank you. So,
Bye.
bye. See you later. I know it.
Have a good exam. Even if you're tired.
Thank you. Hopefully. Goodbye.